back with a new video. And in the last video I did the unboxing of this same Lego box, and so today I'm going to build this truck. And it's really very easy. It's not as hard as it seems. Okay, so let's just start. Okay, so now let's open the book. Okay, so there is one confusion which happens to many people, including me, when I used to buy my earlier Legos, that which one book is for which packet. Actually, it's very simple. This number 2 means that this is of packet number 2, and the packet number 2 is for the truck. Okay, so let's just open it. First they're showing that how to make the thief. Okay, so now they're saying that we need this type of piece, which is a bit which goes down. Okay, in the next page they're saying that we have to find this type of red with 2 block signs on it and this wheel holder. Okay, so first I found this piece. Now I will find this red one like this. Now the other wheel holder. It should look much like this. Okay, so let's go to the next page. In the next page they're saying that we have to do the same on the other side too. Okay, so I'm going to do the same on the other side. Okay, so it should look like this from under and from up like this. Okay, so now they're saying that now we should even find this type of piece, which is actually the light part of the car. Okay, and we have to put this on the top part, not under, not over here where we put everything, but over here. Okay, so let's go to the next page. In the next page they're saying that we have to find this. This is actually used as a tire design in most of real trucks too. So first I found this piece. It should look like this. Now I'm going to put this over here like this. Okay, so now they're saying that I have to take this blue piece and I'll have to put this blue piece like this. Let's go to the next page. Over here they're saying that we have to find one steering and one brown piece. The brown piece's height is same as a blue one, but when the seat part it goes a bit down, so then there comes an effect. Okay, so like this. Then we'll take the steering. Okay, so now they are saying that we have to put another blue type of in front of the steering like this. It should look like this from down and like this from the sides and like this from the top. Okay, so let's go to the next page. Over here they're saying that we have to find this type of red piece, which is usually used in Lego boats. Okay, so we take it like this. And now we take another like this. Okay, so now they're saying that we have to put the other black piece, same like which we put over here, which is as a tire design, same on the other side, which is in front of the steering. So we put it like this. It should look like this from the top and like this. And on the next page they're saying that we have to put the same thing which we put at the back of the car. Look, this type of. Look, this type of in front of the car. It should look like this. Now the both sides look same except of the steering area. Okay, so now they're saying that we have to find this type of brown piece. Okay, like this. And we have to put this behind the steering area. Look, you can say right on the back area like this. The steering is front and we put that right on here. Okay, so now they're saying that we have to find these types of reds. Okay. Inside the book, they're saying that we have to put both of them in this way. But this is just a design, and so it's up to your choice if you don't want it in that way. Okay, so actually we have to, even I got confused in this way. You don't have to put this on the trunk area. You have to put this on the brown piece which you put over here. The down one, which is on the steering area. And you put it in that way. Okay, so now they're saying that we have to find this type of black piece. It's pretty small. So, and then we put it like this. Now they're saying that we have to find these types of door looking pieces. Look, these even have a handle, so these are the doors. Okay, so to put this, you'll have to put this right like this. It might be a bit confusing at the start, so you guys have to look at this down hole which is under it. Then you guys put it like this. And then shut it, open it, and keep it like that. Now the same for the other one. Like this, then like this. Now they're saying to find this type of piece. Okay, this is actually a design for to see what is back. I mean, we can't actually see what is back, and there is no small mirror or stuff like that, and it's just a design for our imagination. Okay, so we put it like this. Now they're saying that we need this piece. It is for the front or the bonnet of the car, you can say. And we put it in this way, like this. Now they're saying that we have to find this type of monstrous piece and put it in the front of the car like this. Now the car looks like this. Okay, so now they're saying how to put the lights at the front. We'll take this black piece, this type of. Okay, so like this, we put this at the front of the car. Now they're saying to find the lights which look like this. You can even put them in this way or like this. But I will do as the book says so that it can be easier for you guys. Okay, now they're saying to find this type of flat piece which comes like this. Okay, so now let's go to the next page. In the next page they're saying that we have to find the same type of black piece as we put at the front, and we have to find some red lights which they put in the packet. These types of red lights, or you can call it red pieces, or but lights is the best one if you ask me. Okay, so now they're saying that we have to find this type of black piece. I mean, these types of black pieces like this. And we have to join them together like this. Okay, so now they're saying that now we have to find that type of yellow piece which looks like this. And it might look a bit odd at first, but from the top it's like this, and it has 4 pieces like that. Okay, so we'll have to put that on the sides of it like this. Okay, so now they are saying that we have to find this type of red piece as we put before, and we have to put it on both of them so that these will be equal to the black ones. So we put it like this. Now they are telling how to make the safe box, or you can say the small trunk, but these seem much like a safe box. So you put them like this, like this. These can open and shut. Now how to make the other one is the same way. You take the safe box like this and you link that piece with the other one like this. Okay, so like this. Now they're saying that we have to put this at the back like this. Now there are 2 safe boxes in the car. These can open like this, and the and the thing about these both pieces, actually these ones, is that these, if you even put any of these you can say diamonds inside, so then, and then you open that, it won't fall out easily. Look, it just comes over here like this. Okay, so for now let's just take these out. Okay, so now how to make the top part of the trunk, which is actually the magnetic part, which will attach to the helicopter. This actually looks like this, with a magnet picture on it, and you put it like this. Wow, so the car really looks very amazing till now. Now they're saying that we have to find this type of glass piece, or you can say the windscreen, and we put it like this. Even with the windscreen, the doors can still open like this. Now they're saying that you can even attach stickers on the roof if you want, but I'm not so fond of that, because sometimes when it comes to taking them off, half of it might come off. Okay, so let's take the roof and we put it with these pieces on this part like this. It looks like a small truck. Okay, so now they're saying that how to build the wheels, which I can even tell you very easily. First you take the wheel cover and you put the wheel like this inside. Okay, so first let's make all of them. This one is really very easy, even for starters of Lego who just buy Lego new. It's even very easy, because even there's a book which can tell you, even it kind of seems a bit obvious. Okay, so now you put both of these like this, tires like this, and like this. Now they're saying that you have to attach this piece of the trunk area like this. It should look like this now. So our truck is ready, and now I'm going to show you guys that what's the actual purpose of this. First you open it in any way, full or not full. Then you put like this. Okay, so our truck, it looks like this. Wow. Even from down it looks amazing, as it's a machinery of a real car from down. And these glass, as I told you, actually it does not have any glass, and these doors open like this. Like this. You can even open both of the doors. And now the safe box, even these open. Okay, so it really looks very amazing from all sides. Okay, so it even moves very good like this. Okay guys, so that's all for today. I'll come back with another exciting video. Until then, take care and goodbye.